we can't just go in the tower.
No, you can't go.
No.
I didn't go to sleep. Why don't I get you kind of like ultimate?
I've never been in the tower. And your favorite flowers? How are your sunflowers doing, BT Dubs?
They're great.
They grew and then died. Oh my god, mountains are beautiful.
I want to.
There's like acres and acres and acres.
There's a place too over here where you can just sit into like an inside
That's
a little
the window to the lake?
Yeah, that's the lake you're looking at.
Yeah. Yeah, that's up ahead. It's still slightly alive.
Yeah, it's been a rough year. It's been very hot. Yeah. It's only spring though, so I'm gonna need it to fresh out.
I don't know what your parents have against bamboo.
No.
I love bamboo.
My mom's like, oh, it grows too tall. My dad would love to just have 30-foot tall bamboo.
It's hard to see bamboo.
I would have it all the way around my top of it.
They would need a bigger Buddha.
No, on the contrary, keep the little guy out. It's like a little game to find him.
I know, I'm not gonna lie. I told you we need a water feature in our garden. There's no more cats, yeah. So yeah, I was just like, oh my god. I've also seen like variegated tapas. Isn't this so pretty?
It's so pretty. I didn't know we had this kind of elevation.
Stand right here. Here we're like 300 feet above sea level?
298.
298, sorry, yes.
But yeah.
Give me 2 feet of dirt.
That's a lake monster.
We want to see that big one. Do you get it? Yeah, see. There's also more on the other side too if you want to go over there as well.
Oh. Snatch him up.
What?
Thing.
Mosquitoes?
Very cool.
Okay. I don't like this fun anymore.
Perfect.
You got bit?
By a mosquito.
Oh, let's peace out.
Alright, we're done here.
I know what I'm thinking of. I'm thinking of the ones that your mom has, the Hawaiian.
Our Snapchat is coming back.
Oh.
What is the? It just fell right here.
Oh, a little pin came out, huh? That's fun.
Oh, look, there's a butterfly that you